starting a new project today. As you can see, some watermelons. Halloween themed party tomorrow. It is June right now, so pumpkins aren't really in season. It was an idea given to me by a friend, but it was actually on Gravity Falls, which is pretty cool, and I'm gonna do it. So I already drew a face on this watermelon and cut the top off. I just did it like a pumpkin kind of, but you gotta get all the sides like the point of convergence so you can do this, because unlike a pumpkin, it's entirely solid. There's no, hollowness. I'm gonna save that piece for later because I don't want to waste the watermelon. I'm gonna try to save as much of this as I can. We'll see how easy that is. So I've balled up some of it. That's pretty ugly, but still tastes good. And this is some of the goop. It gets pretty liquidy in there. I mean, it is a watermelon. Yeah, we'll see how much of this I can save. Oof. Got out my big spoon. Trying to scoop it now. Got a few more balls. This is actually really difficult. All of those videos I watched online made it seem so easy, but I'm here to tell you that it's kind of a challenge. Sides out like this. Kind of hard to do with one hand. That's how you get smoothness. So you could actually kind of put a candle in there, possibly. I had to dump a lot of it out, which makes me sad because I was really trying to save as much as possible. I hate wasting food, but that's probably why it was so difficult. We'll see what we can get from the other two, but it looks like I'm gonna have to just scrape and dump. Just now I have to figure out how to make the bottom smooth because the sides are looking good. My hand is covered in sticky. And then we'll get to carving. And that's not bad. It's just wet. I don't know what to do about that, but I don't know. Should I use some paper towels? Cause it's just wet and it won't leave the watermelon. You know what? That's good enough. Look at that. Look at that. It's pretty okay. So yeah, time to carve. Just using a steak knife for this. Never been great at carving pumpkins. Nice, look at that little chunk. Crazy. Ah, no. Whew. How am I gonna do this? Okay. You'd think watermelons would be easier to carve than pumpkins. And I think they are, but just struggling. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Except it's a huge hole. It's fine. Look at that! Gonna have to put a real candle in there. Real big one. That is actually, I hope it's functional, because nice. That top piece. Cut off the goods, and now it's a lid like a pumpkin. How does that go? Woo. There we go. Fits. Cool. That makes sense because I carved it out. So there you have it. That is a jack-o'-lantern watermelon. Nice. Time to do that 2 more times. One is gonna be different. Got my reference image right there. but I had to do it sideways because apparently that's the way. Might be difficult to get the right angle because I had to cut it weirdly. So look how cute this boy is. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Please work. Don't do that. So it's kind of heavy on the back, but really behave yourself, son. So that might work better without this for some reason. But looks nice, I think. I mean, what do you guys think? Is it how'd I do? How'd I do? Huh? Really have no idea what to do with this last pumpkin. I keep calling them pumpkins. Watermelon. Jack-o'-lantern boy. I think I just equate the term jack-o'-lantern with the term pumpkin. But, it's really big. I'm gonna have to figure something nice out, because what a boy. So this is how they turned out. Look at those boys. I am very proud of myself. And I'm excited now. Look how cute that is. Look at that boy. He's just a little lonely. I had to prop him up. These guys started rolling too. I don't know. I gotta prop them up next to the bowls because for some reason they do that now. But it's not a big deal because it's an easy fix. Yeah, man, look at those. Look, this one I chose some sign I found that was supposed to be like the Cheshire Cat. Does not look like the Cheshire Cat, but I think it's interesting because the teeth are not there. So that one turned out okay, but I don't know. Which one's your favorite? Let me know, man. So now I'm just getting ready for my party.